The Innumerable Christ by Hugh MacDiarmid. Wha kens on whitna Bethlehem's earth twinkles like a star the nicht, and whitna shepherds lift their heeds in its unearthly licht? Yont a' the stars oor can see, and farther than their lichts can fly, in mony an unco world the nicht the faithfu' bairnies cry. In mony an unco world the nicht the lift gaes black as pitch at noon, and sideways on their chests the heads o' endless Christs roll doon. And when the earth's as cald's the moon, and a' its folk are lang syne deed, on countless stars the babe maun cry, and the crucified maun bleed.